Construction worker shot dead at grandmother's wake in St. Catherine. Unidentified man shot and killed in Spanish Town. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 36-year-old construction worker was shot dead at a wake for his grandmother in Johnson Pen, St. Catherine early Sunday morning. He has been identified as George Joseph, a resident of Johnson Pen. According to reports, around 12:50 a.m., Joseph was attending a wake for his late grandmother, Deslyn Williams, when gunfire erupted. He was later discovered in a fire that had been set up to prepare food for the gathering. Upon closer inspection, it was found that Joseph had sustained a gunshot wound to the left side of his face. Residents rushed him to the Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The police were summoned and processed the scene. A motive has not been established for the killing. The Spanish Town Police are investigating. The Spanish Town Police in St. Catherine are trying to ascertain the identity of a man who was shot and killed by unknown assailants on Sunday. About 3:30 p.m. on Sunday, the police were summoned to Gulf Heights in Garden Pen, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. On their arrival, the man's body was found with what appeared to be gunshot wounds. The body was clad in a red and white merino and gray shorts and measured about 5 feet 11 inches. The Spanish Town Criminal Investigations Branch is conducting the probe into the matter.